BSF got a golden ticket and we... Can I say we're going to Utah? We're going to Utah!
Yes, we are.
And Mara will be there! Welcome back to the channel. This is the Rachel and Sean cam. What are we doing today?
Going over to Eric's. Going over to BSF Recoveries. He's got some exciting news to share with us, and we want to get it on video.
Show here again. I got my wife Rachel. She's here recording. We're following Sean and his wife Rachel up to see our buddies Eric and Mara, BSF Recovery Team. Sounds like they've got some really big news today, so we're excited to find out what that's about.
I wonder what it is.
I have a guess, but I'm not going to say. We'll find out.
When we were out in the shop the last time, we brought a dual door hinge step to donate to Toby. That's the trail vehicle that follows Eric around in the wrecker. We kind of joked about installing one on the wrecker, and the more we thought about that, the more it makes sense for him to be able to have an easier time to get up in the back end of that truck. We're going to go and figure out a way to fabricate it to make it work and install the dual door hinge step on the wrecker, make his life a little easier for this off-road season. It's always such a gorgeous drive on the way out to see Eric. He lives in such beautiful country. We're in the St. Croix River Valley. He's still a little ways outside of there, but it's just beautiful.
Last time I zipped right past this road.
Yeah, sometimes we just drive.
With no purpose.
Hey, not all who wander are lost. We learned that from Troy.
Yeah, you're not going to eat me today.
Hi, Jasmine.
You're not going to eat.
And that's Dusty.
Yeah, and that's Red. You're waiting. You're so patient. Adios. Adios. I know. Dad's getting stuck.
Where's this hay at? Huh?
Yeah,
They're like, we're hungry.
and hopefully he's not stuck.
Well, we found Eric and Mara.
Snow's too deep.
Soft.
This is why we're so good at recovery, because we get ourselves stuck all the time.
What'd you do, Eric?
Got the bobcat stuck.
Well, we found Eric. Eric was trying to feed the horses and grab a hay bale, and he got stuck.
Go figure.
You know the best part? I get to pay back for them having to get me out.
Right?
And it's negative temperatures.
Yeah, this time's a little different. Last time was nice and warm. It's kind of fun to have an excuse to pull a bobcat out.
Yeah.
That's a big ass bobcat. That's not a little bobcat.
I think 14,000 pounds. Yeah, I felt every bit of it. You good?
We'll get Val.
Hey, Red.
We gotta go get a tow truck out of the woods on Saturday. Not my tow truck, another one.
Eric's got chains for an old tractor, for tractor tires. They're in the shed, so he's going to get them out of there, cut them down to make them fit on the Bobcat tires so he doesn't need to be yanked out again.
Was that the frozen one?
Oh.
Elsa, stay back.
Well, we got them out. Boy, it's tough getting parts out of the deep snow.
One more and we'll get her hung. I thought it'd be really cool to install one of these on Eric's wrecker. Reason being is oftentimes he'll get out of the cab to crawl up in here. This will make his life a lot easier. And additionally, as oftentimes he's in 2-3 feet of standing water. And additionally, when he doesn't and he's on the ground, he'll just be able to step up onto this bottom step, which is about this height. Step onto that from here, step onto the next one, and in. So we're basically, I came up with a plan to custom fit this here instead of onto the door hinges. We've got a light here that's freaking stubborn as hell. Top screw was loose. That light has been there a long time through a lot of muck. So first one is loose enough for me to just push the bolt out to cut it off. This bottom one doesn't look like a bolt anymore. That's just for the metal bracket.
Right, you still gotta take the ones out for the light.
You get it? There you go.
No,
I'm just assembling it piece by piece.
It's a little rusty.
You think?
So this was already this guy out.
Eric.
So I'm trying to get these out.
Those look like they might come out. Oh, Eric's just gonna send it.
One.
That's a plus.
The other one, not spinning. What size that is.
Look at that. You had way more luck than we did.
Dad, it's from Matt's Off-Road.
Matt's Off-Road Recovery. We better get everybody here before we open this. Okay. Okay, so Blake's on the phone. Everybody else is here?
Yep.
All right, we're gonna open it up.
Don't rip it.
Oh, look at this. Matt's Off-Road Recovery Golden Ticket. You are invited to compete in the Wrecker Olympics. Congratulations on being selected. Yippee! To compete in Matt's Off-Road Adventures. Complete list of rules and regulations, ordinance, laws, and so forth. I don't know.
There's no chocolate.
Abby.
Ain't there supposed to be some chocolate of some sort? I thought there was supposed to be chocolate.
Well, yeah. I think you may have to bring that up with Matt and see if he's got a complete department.
There's supposed to be chocolate.
You will be updated on them as Matt invents them and imagines them. Okay. Sounds like this might be a little rigged. Refer to number 1. Rule number 2, refer to number 1.
Uh-oh.
We look forward to seeing you in March. March 9th, 10th, and 11th in Sand Hollow, Hurricane, Utah.
About an hour and a half from Las Vegas, isn't it?
Yeah, about an hour and a half from Las Vegas. Ooh. We need a spotter.
Ah,
I know, so, yeah, don't you know somebody in Vegas that could be a spotter for us, don't you?
I do.
my trail son!
Yes. We'll have to call Gabe and see if he'll be willing to be a spotter for us. That's going to be a lot of fun. We'll be competing against Matt, of course, and Rory, and Paul, and Merlin, isn't it?
Merlin, yeah.
Merlin was the one who got
Yeah,
the other golden ticket?
yep. Now this is interesting. There's 3 guys that are familiar with their tow trucks. You,
Yes.
Rory, and Merlin.
Right.
What about this Matt and Paul?
Matt and
What's
Paul,
going on there?
they're building brand new tow trucks. I have no idea how well they're going to work. They don't either.
Ah, that's to our advantage.
Yes, it is. Merlin, I believe, is an old military Chevrolet cab powered by a Cummins diesel.
Manual transmission.
I think, yes, manual transmission, and he has a no box on the back with a boom, and I think he's running some big Super Swamper tires.
Yep.
Yep.
Going down, Merlin.
I haven't seen much video. I've seen him do a few recoveries and videos, so we'll have to see.
Yeah.
I don't know what his experience is like. I know Rory's experience is real good.
Yeah, but keep in mind, everybody's in a different territory,
That's right.
you know?
Well,
You're
it's
up in
Matt's
the Midwest.
backyard.
But the thing is you've been to both backyards.
I have.
Both Rory's and Matt's.
I have.
So,
I have. And
might be advantage to you.
it might be. I don't know. We'll see. I just know that my tow truck's been working for, 12, 13
14
years,
almost.
14 years.
How do you know that?
Because tow truck's a year older than me.
Whoa. It's signed by Matt?
eBay.
That'll make really cool garage art.
Yeah.
So cool.
You have to keep it so it hangs
All
right
right,
next to
ready?
the trophy.
Yeah. You have to put next to the trophy.
Hey, gang, what you doing?
Don't tell it.
You aren't supposed to do that in public,
Trail
So,
son!
I'm
Here's
here
your
with
chocolate.
the BSF recovery team, and Eric would like to check in with you on something coming up that's pretty special.
So, well, we just got a golden ticket from Matt's Off-Road Recovery. We're going to be part of the Off-Road Record Games. Check it out. I'm thinking I kind of need a little bit of help with somebody that's a little more familiar with the terrain out there than I am. So I was wondering if you want to be my spotter for the games.
I would love to try and find you the best amount of traction we can with that old girl.
Sounds good to me.
Way to go, Trail son!
So save the dates, March 9th, 10th, and 11th.
Got it.
Okay, well, we'll meet you out in Utah and see if we can show them other tow truck guys a thing or two.
I'll see you out here.
All right, sounds good.
Thanks,
Trail
Gabe.
son.
Bye, Gabe. Well, we figured out what came. Golden ticket! Troy and Rachel are busy working on the wreck. Cameraman Troy
This is not my forte.
and mechanic Rachel.
Rachel's doing a beautiful job as usual. Speedy Gonzaga. Oh yeah.
He's at the same time.
Rachel and Sean. Off-road recovery. Got a huge fan. I've watched a few episodes, but I don't get starstruck.
I'm starstruck.
Look at that.
Yeah, oops.
I can never drill holes perfectly.
I circled them well.
You circled them very well. You did a great job circling them. And reminding me that I needed to go a hair higher over here, so it was all Rachel.
That's because girls
No,
are
it's not.
Girls are better with holes.
Oh my god.
I mean, it's our job to find them. Up enough the hole on the back.
This hole or this hole?
One closest over here.
Oh, yeah, it's fucking tight. So is the top.
Yeah. Eric? Come see what you think.
Yep. All right, let's see if this works now. Oh, look at that.
It works.
That works good. So let's see how we can get back in.
There we go.
That works pretty good. I like that. Because sometimes we're in a situation where it's too far to the ground. So this will help out a lot. We call these garage burgers because we cook them in the garage.
Let's see what's happening. That's why the deer are there. So there's a turkey up in the tree right there, and he's plucking stuff out of the tree. The foliage that's up higher, those little red caps, he's pulling them down for the and he's dropping it, and the deer are there picking it up too. So he's literally shaking it out for everybody below, and the deer are there eating it too. That's hilarious. And how cool is it that one of them's feeding the rest of them?